Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis. But before this video starts, I just want to say, please go follow our Instagram as we are posting a lot at the moment and it's an easy way for you to get through to us if you have any questions. And please remember, this is not financial advice.
YieldApp is a new way to use DeFi banking. One of the reasons why YieldApp is a very important thing in our age is that it uses APY with your investments, so it's kind of better than just leaving it in the bank. And with YieldApp, as the price goes up, you are compounding your interest, and also it will allow you to earn more in the long run.
So look at YieldApp's market cap, it's only $70 million, that is so small for that price. And its all-time high was only $1.27 in mid-February this year. Now let's look for a coin that we can compare it to. So let's look at Quantum. They are literally basically a 10x of each other. If you look at the market cap, if you look at the price, they're basically a 10x of each other. Now look at the total supply of the YieldApp, it's 100 million. However, there is still 200 million that are yet to be released, which is going to dilute it. But if you are willing to hold it until they're all released, then it'll definitely be worth it. Now look at the max supply of Quantum, it is 100 million. And the total supply is 103 million, so are basically all released now. But YieldApp's max supply is 300 million, which is a 3x of that. So I believe it could go to $24, or perhaps more. The places you can buy YieldApp is, the most popular one is Uniswap. So if you go into Uniswap, you would send your Ethereum over and then you can convert it to YieldApp or any other coin you'd like. However, you have to send Ethereum over and then you convert that Ethereum into USDT if you want to purchase it with USDT. And the only problem with this is the fees when sending Ethereum over is quite expensive.
YieldApp allows you to have DeFi banking in your own pockets, so it's easy to create an account. All you need to do is upload your ID and make sure your account is verified. Then you can start sending Ethereum or USDT or YieldApp from Uniswap to your YieldApp wallet. Once you've done that, you'd obviously need to create an email for YieldApp, and it's very easy to do. It's like signing up for an exchange. However, there's not a YieldApp app in the App Store for you right now. However, in the future, they're soon going to be adding that into the App Store, Play Store for you to have in your pocket. So the only way to access this is through the internet, Google Chrome or Firefox or anything that you use for Google. But as of now, you can't really access it through the App Store, and this is why this coin is still very small and has a lot of potential. So you can send over USDC, which is very similar to USDT, and also Ethereum, and obviously YieldApp from the Uniswap. Alright, and you'd also get 10% APY, even if you hold USDT and Ethereum. However, YieldApp gives you 2 to 10% depending on however much you hold. So there's different tiers for yield rewards. Let's say you want to hold between 0 to 4,999 yield. You get 10% plus an extra 2% APY on your investment. Let's say you want to hold between 5,000 to 9,999. You would get an extra 2% on that previously, so you'll be getting 10% with an additional 4% APY. Let's say you want to go to tier 5. You would need to hold over 20,000 yield tokens, and you'd get an overall 20% APY, which is very insane.
So let's say you have 3,500 US dollars invested, that would give you 10,000 yields. So you'll get 6% on your yield, which is 600 yield, and then you'll get an extra 6% as a bonus, and then you'll get 10% on your USDT, which is $350. That was the tier 3 if you put $3,500 in 2 days. So you'd make $1,000 in 52s.
So basically, the current price of yield is around 0.82 USD, and it keeps on fluctuating between them. If the price stays the same, you are earning yield daily on top of your current balance on yield. And obviously, you'd want to gain as much yield as you want from the current stable price. Once yield exceeds $1 and starts to go even further in this bull run cycle, you will start to notice that you will be compounding your money again and again. The yield interest gets paid daily, so you'll be getting about 1.7 yield to 2 yield, depending on however much you hold. So you'll be gaining a passive income just from holding yield. So people want yield to stay in the same price as it is right now, so they can keep on accumulating as much yield before the price skyrockets. So as of now, it's very good that the price is staying the same before the price starts to go even higher. even if the price starts to go lower, you're still earning a passive income because you're still gaining yield on a daily basis, depending on however much you hold.
So when you are using YieldApp, all your funds are safe as it is decentralized and you are in control of your own money. So YieldApp has identified critical systems which will continue to stress test these alongside market-related technology security scenarios to remove points of failure across our operating environment, including DeFi instruments used in our portfolios. We achieved this through research, smart contract auditing, insurance coverage, in-house technology solutions, and by employing industry-leading experts in their field, such as data security consultants. All of this is further supported by our various oversight, enterprise, and risk management committees and frameworks. However, there is always still a risk. So the insurance is up to $100 million if they're third-party hacks, copying or theft of private keys, insider theft or dishonest acts by BitGo employees or executives, loss of keys. YieldApp has chosen BitGo as its custodian because BitGo provides 100% cold storage technology in bank-grade Class 3 vaults, and the BitGo platform is SOC 2 Type 2 certified.
Overall, YieldApp, I would give it a 9 out of 10 as it's a very solid project and we are still very early. However, this is not financial advice and we are not reliable for any of your losses. And because this is very early, it has got a lot of risk. However, the project is a very good project and DeFi is definitely the future for cryptocurrency. So why not invest into YieldApp as it gives you APY and interest on your holdings, which will make it more able for you to earn more money from this.
So thank you for watching the Real Crypto Space, and once again a reminder, please like this video and comment, and also follow our Instagram. Thank you.